Greetings from a spring somewhere on Mt.Shasta. Today we're going to do a guided meditation together as we enjoy the sacredness and beauty of this amazing spring. I come here often just to connect with the elementals, the fairies, the forest energies, just the life force bubbling up from the ground. So let's just take a minute to ground and check in and feel yourself in your body. Take a moment to gaze at this beauty of green, life-giving trees and flowing water that bubbles up from the earth just so freely and abundantly, just continuing to give and give and give. If you want, you can continue to keep your eyes open and watch the beauty of this moving water, or you can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. Exhale slowly. 2 more times. And just notice yourself in time and space. Where are you sitting in this particular time? How are you taking up space in this moment? Notice how much bigger you are than your body. Take a moment just to feel your energetic field expanding outward from your physical body. And with each breath, notice it getting bigger. See how far your energetic body can reach. Can it go 6 feet, 12 feet, 30 feet? Maybe big enough to touch every area of your house or the room that you're in. And then beyond that, outside of your space, out into the energetic field of your neighborhood, or in my case, of the forest. Just feel yourself expanding outward. And as you exist in this expansion, tune into your belly. Your power center, your solar plexus. And feel this expansive energy of your solar plexus power. A yellow energy, and let it move and flow. Let it loosen any tightness you're feeling there. What sensation do you feel when you tune into your solar plexus? What color do you see? What shape does it take? Does it feel dynamic, moving, flowing? Or maybe it feels a little locked up or shut down. Just breathe into it and let it open and expand. Breathe in life force. Breathe in power. Breathe in energy. And let go with the out-breath of anything stuck. Any energy that doesn't serve you, that might be stuck in there or hanging out. Empower yourself to let that go. I free myself from any stuck, stagnant, stale energy, and I breathe in new life. I breathe out anger, resentment, and fear, and I breathe in gratitude, allowance, and free sovereignty of being. A knowing that all is well, a trusting and surrendering to life. I know that I am free. I know I have the power to move forward in life, and that it's my choosing how I move through this day, how I move through each moment, what mood I choose to embrace, what I choose to let go of in every moment. So just take a moment to acknowledge any emotions that might be coming up at the moment. Acknowledge any fear or frustration or anger, even at the words I'm using. Any feelings of being misunderstood or feeling disempowered. Just feel those for a moment. Acknowledge your inner child, that inner part of you that wants to be seen. I see you. I love you. I honor all the emotions that have brought me to this point, that have served me and brought me to this place in life, that have protected me and kept me safe. And now, in this space of safeness, in this new space of freedom and expansion, I let you go. And I let you flow back into the atmosphere to be recycled and used again in an uplifting and serving way. And I breathe in new life, new power, new energy. And I take on this new way of being, this freshness, this self-empowerment, this service to self in a way that I'm serving my energy field so I can be a service to others. Allowing my cup to fill with this water, fill to overflowing so I can feel relaxed, renewed, and rejuvenated. Fill your cup up. Just let it fill. With each breath, more abundance and fullness of life force moving into your solar plexus and filling up your body with love and light and new, cooling, abundant, watery energy. And now let's just sit and take a moment to breathe in this space, this new space of an overflowing cup. And as you listen to the water, let your cup runneth over. Focusing on your sacral and belly center, on your solar plexus, on that entire region, the root, the sacrum, and the solar plexus energy, where you get your energy from. Focus on filling that up and allowing it to move and open and flow and relax. And this is the great invocation Feel free to say it with me. I'll say it slowly so you can say it as I say it. In the center of all love, I stand. From that center, I, the soul, will outward move. From that center, I, the one who serves, will work. May the love of the divine self be shed abroad through my heart, through this group, and throughout the world. Through the center of all love I stand. From that center I, the soul, will outward move. From that center I, the one who serves, will work. May the love of the divine self be shed abroad through my heart, through this group, and throughout the world. In the center of all love I stand. From that center I, the soul, will outward move. From that center I, the one who serves, will work. May the love of the divine self be shed abroad through my heart, through this group, and throughout the world. Take a moment to bring yourself back into your body. Feel yourself grounded. Feel that solar plexus just dialing back just a little bit to keep your energy within you. Still open and flowing, but just dilate it a little bit like an aperture on a camera, just to keep that energy within your body, the full cup flowing within you. Check into your heart and feel the gratitude of this moment. Grateful for this absolute beauty, this absolute power, this absolute love, this abundance of water and air and life force flowing through you. Keep that energy in your heart today as you move forward so that you may share love and send love out through your heart, out through your throat chakra with your words, out through your eyes, your third eye and your eyes. So much love flowing through you. And now shoot that love out the top of your head like a waterfall going up 6 feet and then flowing down around you. Bouncing off the floor that you're sitting on or the rock that you're sitting on and up through your core, up through your center and back out the top of your head like a torus. Up and out 6 feet and down, raindropping around you, bouncing down through into the earth and then back up through your core one more time. Up, 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 shooting out the top of your head, now turning into rainbow iridescent light. Let that rain shower all over you and a violet flame pyramid surrounds you. You're now in the center of a violet flame pyramid, and that rainbow iridescent light is filling you up. And you're going to sit in this pyramid of protection. You're going to take it with you today, with wherever you go, so that you may feel full and radiant and grateful and empowered and pure. Be the purity that God desires. When we're the purity God desires, we attract everything pure to ourselves, everything abundant, everything synchronistic and serendipitous. we attract everything our hearts desire. And with that, I bid you adieu. Have a beautiful, blessed day.